Want to use Krea AI without paying anything? In this tutorial, I'll show you how the Krea AI free plan works in 2026, what you can do with it, and how to get the most out of your daily credits. So let's get started. First, go to the Krea AI website and create a free account. The free plan gives you access to basic AI tools and daily compute credits, so you can start generating right away. On the free plan, you typically get daily compute credits that refresh every day. These credits are used whenever you generate images, videos, or use real-time tools. Some advanced models and higher quality exports may be limited. One of the best free features is real-time generation. You can type a prompt and instantly see images change as you edit your words. This helps you experiment quickly without wasting credits. You can also create normal AI images by entering a prompt and clicking Generate. Keep your prompts simple and clear to save credits and get faster results. Since the free plan has limited daily credits, avoid unnecessary regenerations. Instead, refine your prompt step by step before generating again. Yeah, this helps you get better results without wasting usage. Even on the free plan, you may get limited access to upscaling or enhancement tools. These can improve image quality without needing to regenerate everything from scratch. Some free accounts may also have limited access to video generation or other advanced models, but these usually use more credits and may have restrictions depending on demand. If you find yourself running out of credits quickly or needing higher quality outputs, you can upgrade to a paid plan for more compute power and priority processing. And that's how to use the Krea AI free plan in 2026. With smart prompt writing and careful credit use, you can create impressive AI images even without paying. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.